Hello students, in last video I discussed about simple average profit method for calculation of goodwill. Now we will move to the next method, which is weighted average profit method for calculation of goodwill. So we will see this method with the help of an illustration which is given on your screen. You can see Sachin and Saurabh are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 3:2, and for the last 4 years they have been given a salary of rupees 1,20,000 and rupees 1 lakh respectively. Now below are the profits before salary. So for 14 it was rupees 3,50,000, for 15 it was rupees 2,45,000, and for 16 it was rupees 3,20,000. On 1st January 2017, David is admitted to the partnership for 2 by 5 of share and goodwill for this purpose. As I told you at the time of admission, goodwill is valued. So for this purpose, the goodwill is to be valued at 4 years purchase of weighted average profits of last 3 years after allowing same salaries to the partners, and profits to be weighted as 1, 2 and 3, the greatest weight being given to the last year. That means for 16 it will be 3 and for 14 it will be 1. Now you are required to calculate the value of goodwill. Now you can make a statement like this for calculation of goodwill. So there will be 6 columns: year, profit before salary, salary, profit after salary, weights, and at last products column. So you will write all the years for which profit has been given: 14, 15 and 16 year. Now profit before salary, it was given for 14 it was rupees 3,50,000, for 15 it was 2,45,000, and for 16 it was rupees 3,20,000. Now what is the salary? Both partners' salary taken together amounts to rupees 2,20,000. If it would have been variable, all the years would have been given different salary, but here the same salary is given to the partners throughout 3 years. So salaries are 2,20,000 for each year. Now what is profit after salary? After deducting salary from profit before salary, we will get profit after 3,50,000 minus 2,20,000 will amount to rupees 1,30,000 for 14. For 15 it will be 25,000, and for 16 it will be 1 lakh. Now weights already have been provided in the sum, that is 1, 2 and 3. Now product means you will multiply here profit after salary column with the weights. So for 14 it will be 1,30,000 into 1 equals to 1,30,000. Second, 25,000 into 2 equals to 50,000, and 1 lakh into 3, 3 lakh, and you will total 2 columns only, weights and products. So weights total will be 6 and products total will be 4,80,000. Now you will move to the next calculation part, which is calculating weighted average profit. So weighted average profit equals to the total products divided by total weight. So 4,80,000 divided by 6, which will be equal to rupees 80,000. Now already given number of years of purchase is 4. So how you will calculate the goodwill? So goodwill will be equal to weighted average profit into number of years of purchase. The formula is same. It would have been simple average profit into number of years of purchase in case of simple average profit method. Now here weighted average profit into number of years of purchase. Now we have already got weighted average profit is rupees 80,000 into number of years of purchase will be 4. So the value of goodwill will be 3,20,000. Thank you.